Hello there. Today I want to talk to you about inflation and how you can use real estate investments to beat inflation in Nigeria. Yes, it's very possible. As we all know, inflation rate is very high in Nigeria at the moment. Not just in Nigeria, but globally. I'm going to be showing you 4 different ways through which you can beat inflation using real estate investments in Nigeria. Stick with me till the end of this video and I'll show you how you can do that. Historically, real estate value typically outpaces inflation. What this means is that if you invest in property today, within the space of 1 year, the value appreciation that you are likely to experience in your real estate portfolio is likely to be higher than that of the inflation rate. Even though inflation is currently 20%, 21, 22%, it is very much possible for your real estate value appreciation to be a lot higher than that rate. In some cases, you could buy property today and experience up to 50 to 70% increase in value over the space of just 1 year. Now, quite unlike other asset classes like stocks or bonds, a real estate investment portfolio gives you several options through which you can earn good returns without having to put in so much work. For instance, you can use your property. If it's land, you can use it as a means of earning income through short lease or even through long lease. For instance, you can lease out the property to a third party to use over a period of time, and then they give you returns that exceed inflation rates. Or you could use your land for farming purposes or for whatever purpose you want to use it for. Any business you put on a property, if you do that business properly, I can assure you that you are likely to generate returns that are much higher than the inflation rates. The second option is rental income. Now, inflation typically makes you lose money because what it means is that when the price of goods and services goes up, your purchasing power reduces. But it helps a lot when you have a steady flow of income coming from rental income. Rental income can come in form of either annual rent or through short lets. In Nigeria at the moment, rental yields vary from approximately 5 to 7% per annum, but short let income, which is even more lucrative, could give you returns of up to 30 or 40%, if not even more, per annum. Do you know that you can use your properties as a leverage to borrow money? This means that if you have good properties with good titles, in Nigeria the recognized titles are C of O, governor's consent. If you have properties with those titles, you could use those properties as a leverage to borrow money from financial institutions and use that money to do businesses that will give you returns that are higher than the inflation rate. That is another smart way through which you can use your property portfolio to beat inflation. Finally, real estate is a tangible asset that would continue to give you value in almost every case. Now, quite unlike other asset classes that the values could either go up or come down, with real estate it typically appreciates virtually all the time. So if you invest your money in a good real estate property, I can assure you that the chances are that the property value, rental income and other benefits would continue to go up even faster than the rate of inflation. There you have it, guys. Those are the various ways through which you can use real estate to beat inflation in Nigeria. I hope you got value from this video. If you have any real estate needs or you want to invest in properties, please feel free to reach out to us in PWAN Stars. I'm the Managing Director, Chief Executive Officer. I'll be more than glad to handhold you and take you through the process. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you again next time.